Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel shortcut keys. Mastering these keyboard combinations can dramatically boost your productivity, saving you valuable time on daily tasks. We'll cover essential navigation, selection, formatting, and data management techniques. By the end, you'll be navigating spreadsheets with confidence and speed, making your workflow much smoother and more efficient. Get ready to transform your Excel experience. Efficient navigation is key to mastering Excel. Use Control plus any arrow key to quickly jump across large datasets, reaching the edge of a data block in an instant. To select data, combine Shift with arrow keys for single-cell extensions, or Control plus Shift plus arrow keys to select entire data ranges. Remember, Control plus Home takes you to the very beginning, and Control plus End to the last active cell, saving countless clicks. Formatting and editing don't have to be tedious. Quickly apply common styles with Control plus B for bold, Control plus I for italics, and Control plus U for underline. For more detailed adjustments, Control plus 1 brings up the comprehensive Format Cells dialog. When you need to modify cell content, simply press F2. And for those inevitable mistakes, Control plus Z is your best friend for undoing, while Control plus Y redos. Managing data and formulas becomes much simpler with these shortcuts. Use Control plus D to quickly fill data downwards from the cell above, or Control plus R to fill rightwards. For multi-line text within a single cell, Alt plus Enter is invaluable. F4 is a versatile key, repeating your last action or cycling through absolute and relative references in formulas. Finally, Control plus Shift plus L instantly applies or removes filters, streamlining your data analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.